Mr. Mohammed bin Salman, I know that these days you are involved in war. But if you know what is happening, then you are doing wrong. And and if you don't know, then you should find out. Right now in your Saudi Arabia, there are people who have been stuck for 10, even 20 years. Poor people are losing hope. Some are close to losing their lives. So many people are suffering there. I'm sharing my inbox with you. Look at how many people contact me every day. Why are you being so harassed? Tell me, why don't you take action on this? The wars or difficulties you are facing today are happening because you have turned away from the poor. I am tired of telling you in every video, do not allow zulm on poor people. Take action, provide justice for them. Your sponsors, Kafils, are forcing workers to sign paper without reason. They put debates of 10 to 20,000 on them and trap them there. Please don't let this happen. For God's sake, justice is silent but powerful. Mohammed bin Salman, you will face humiliations of this. Continues, I keep telling you every day, take action, take action. Very bad thing happened to me as well. And I am raising my voice not only for myself, but for all of them. Mohammed bin Salman, please, please, for God's sake,